Feed your family my autumn veg risotto for under £12. It's packed full of those comforting flavours and it's topped off with oozy, stringy mozzarella cheese. You're gonna love it. Add the squash to a tray, drizzle with oil, season, toss it together. Add the shallots, season and sweat for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the garlic and aubergine, cook for another 2 minutes. Now it's in with our Italian risotto rice. Every single grain needs to be coated in that oil. This is toasting the rice. Add your stock 1 ladle at a time until it's been absorbed by the rice. Keep on stirring. This is going to take 15 to 18 minutes. Now add your roasted squash, your mozzarella and most of the basil. Give it a really good stir together. Now it's time to plate up. Scatter over the remaining squash and basil leaves to finish it off. And there we go, my autumn veg risotto, the perfect family meal for under 12 quid. You're gonna love it. That is delicious.